What's going on, you Brapaholics, and welcome back to another Bright Shadows video. Okay, so we finally got some snow here in Michigan, about 6 inches or so. It was fluffy. I unfortunately missed the first snowfall because I was away with my fiance, but it's okay. Still got it. It's not as fluffy, but it's still here. It's starting to settle. The wind's blowing a lot of the top layers away on these hills, so it's not that deep in some spots, so I gotta be a little careful, but we got the snow bike out. So try to get that first official test run in. Cole might be joining me here shortly. Hopefully it's gonna hold up after I improve the shock and all the suspension weak points on here. So that's where we're at right now. Hopefully I can get a couple good shots and we'll see what happens from there. I don't know, I haven't got that far yet.
Are there any other ones out there, or you kind of...
Polaris makes them, but they're like $4,000.
There's enough ice on the lake. Get it out there.
Yeah, you can.
Cut her loose.
Not quite that ballsy yet.
I don't know, if there's snow on it, yeah.
No, it's that much snow.
Okay.
Just like it is out here.
Yeah, it's just a flat field out there right now.
I've ridden about an hour or so already, so I'm gonna bring it back and I'm gonna do some adjustments now that I've ridden it enough and got a good feel for it. The shock is a big issue right now. It does not come back. So shock wore out. It needs rebuilt. So for now, I'm gonna hike up the spring load on it just to alleviate that. Seems to be turning just fine when I lean into the turns. Haven't really noticed any issues. Nothing doesn't seem bent so far. So that's good. I gotta bleed out the brakes again. My brakes disappeared. So I haven't had this much fun in a long time. It was fun. I just wish there was more snow. I had a couple spots that were drifted over a foot of snow. When I'd hit them, it was awesome. Snow was just flying everywhere. Definitely it's cool. It's hard to tell because I'm not recording myself that much, but recording the back of this very much anyways. But it's really cool seeing all the powder fly everywhere. You can see it all packed up into there. So I do need to go get some plastic and stuff to cover that soon, but as right now, I'm just testing it, so I'm not going to deal with that right now. So I did some adjustments on the bike. So I think the brake cylinder on my bike went bad. I think it needs new seals or something. I don't know. It's leaking brake fluid, so I don't really have brakes. I don't really need them on this because it slows itself down pretty fast, but just have to take it careful. Cole's going to be here in probably 20 minutes. We only have about an hour of daylight left. So we're going to try to get a little bit of riding in and some nice footage. Cole's coming. I can hear him coming down the road. So hopefully get enough riding in before the night ends. It's a little slick. Woo! It's a little slick out there, huh?
The road is scary.
Yeah?
Very scary. Feels not so bad. I gotta take out the right tire for it.
Put your chip in and it'll hit the road. Do I give her a try? Yeah. There's no brakes. Woo! I had to move it a while.